Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas.
Today we have an update on Subros Ltd. Our analyst maintains a positive view on Subros with an upside potential of 29% in expectation of higher bottom line growth in comparison to top line growth on EBITDA margin revival and reduction in tax rate in the next 2 years. Management aims to outperform the PV industry's growth in the near to medium term. Further, the alternative fuel technologies offer ample growth avenues to Subros as EV and hydrogen segments offer higher content per vehicle opportunity compared to traditional ICs. Post-correction, the stock is trading at an attractive valuation. The stock trades at price to equity multiple of 22 times its FY26 estimated earnings. Next, we have an update on State Bank of India. Our analyst maintains buy rating on SBI with a price target of Rs 915. SBI is likely to sustain healthy return ratios, ROA of 1% and ROE of greater than 18 to 20% in the near to medium term despite sectorial headwinds. Impact of a marginal pressure on NIMs and gradual normalization of credit costs is likely to be offset by lower OPEX growth as wage settlement has been over. Loan growth outlook remains healthy, driven by lower credit cost ratio, pickup in private capex which is likely to support corporate and MSME segment, even if retail loan growth moderates slightly due to regulatory caution. Valuation are still reasonable as compared to ROE trajectory of over 15% in near to medium term. At the current market price, the stock currently trades at 1 times its FY25 and 0.9 times its FY26 estimated core book value. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 12 months.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.